Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to allow anyone to invite you as a delegate on the X app. If you've been looking for a simple and clear guide to enable this feature, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you'd like to set this up. Once you're inside the app, look at the top corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up your main menu where you can find all of the account options you need. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your important account controls are located. Next, tap on the option called Security and Account Access. This section manages how your account can be accessed and what permissions you can grant. In this menu, find and tap Delegate. The Delegate feature is what allows you to give others permission to act on your behalf. By default, this option may be limited, but you can adjust it to be more flexible. When you're in the Delegate settings, look for the toggle that says, Allow others to invite you to their account. Switch this on so people will have the ability to send you invitations. After enabling it, you'll see additional choices on how you want to receive these invitations. Now, select the option, Allow anyone to invite you. This ensures that any user on the platform can send you a delegate request without limitations or restrictions. Once you've made this change, your settings will automatically update, and you'll be ready to receive delegate invitations from anyone who wants to add you to their account. And that's it. Super quick and straightforward. You've just enabled the ability for anyone to invite you as a delegate on the X app. This updated method makes collaboration smoother and gives you full control over how you'd like to be invited. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might be setting up delegate access too. Thanks for watching.